In 2020, only half of Filipinos could access primary health care within 30 minutes, a reminder of the gaps that remained in our healthcare system. Parents, for example, had to find money for food, for travel, for lodging. They had to leave work, to be away from their families, endure the fear and uncertainty that every parent knows when a child is ill. That's why I have directed the establishment of regional specialty hospitals across the country to improve the overall healthcare system nationwide. I also directed the relevant agencies to ensure the timely completion of the Clark Multi-Specialty Medical Center. This state-of-the-art pediatric facility will provide free, high-quality care for children and families from regions 1, 2, and 3, and other neighboring areas as well. Next week, on the 1st of August, this hospital will open its doors to patients, making specialized pediatric services accessible to more communities. More importantly, it will bring hope and relief to countless Filipino families. One by one, we are building a better healthcare system that serves every Filipino with dignity. Ladies and gentlemen, this hope that this hospital will bring will go to is hope and relief for countless Filipino families here in Luzon. We will do our best to lift the burdens from our people's shoulders and give them opportunities to live healthier, more secure lives. This hospital was made possible through the support of various institutions, the Bloomberry Cultural Foundation Incorporated, PAGCOR, the Clark Development Corporation, that shared our vision for better health care for our beloved Filipino children. I assure you that your government will not stop working to give every Filipino child the chance to grow up healthy and to grow up strong. Sa bawat batang gagaling dito, may bagong pag-asa na sumisibol para sa kanyang pamilya at para sa ating minamahal na bagong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Definitely, this hospital will be a trailblazer in Central Luzon. It's a 110-bed capacity with serving specifically children of not just Central Luzon, but I think north of Manila, because this whole hospital is dedicated for children alone. As we always say, we as pediatricians, we work for the benefit and all for the Filipino child. Kasama to sa general commitment ng mga pediatrician. Kasama to sa mga sinumpang tungkulin namin na magserbisyo sa mga Filipino children. Nagpapasalamat kami dahil patuloy ang pag-aaral, patuloy ang pagsuporta, patuloy ang pagpupondo, patuloy ang pagpapatayo ng mga ganito mga infrastruktura sa ating bansa, serving specifically the citizens. Hindi kailan na papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part na pagandahin ang ating healthcare system. At ito mga tinatayong mga hospital na ito, mga specialty centers specifically, ay pagpapalawig ng ganong layunin ng ating gobyerno.
Sobrang hirap, ma'am. Lalo na po pagising mo, titignan mo kung humihinga ba siya. Inisip mo, kung kaya pa ba ng anak ko? Kasi bawat pagising po niya, sasabihin niya, Mama, ayoko na. Sobrang pasasalamat po, ma'am, kasi nung nalaman po namin na nagkaroon nga po ng leukemia yung anak ko, una pong naisip namin, paano po yung anak ko? Paano po siya mabubuhay? Paano po kami ng pampagamot sa kanya? Tapos yun po, nung napunta po kami sa JBL, sinabi ko sa amin, wala po kaming babayaran. Kaya po yun po, ang laki po na pasasalamat namin kasi nga po, madudugtungan yung buhay niya. Malaki po yung pasasalamat ko kay Pangulong Bongbong po na ahaba po yung buhay ng anak ko na may ganito po siyang pinatayo para po sa libre pong pagpapagamot na kung wala pong ganito, ma'am, di po namin alam kung saan kami kukuha. kung paano namin siya mapapakimos. Panalangin at lakas lang po ng loob yung pinanghawakan mo. Saka salamat po sa lahat ng tumutulong sa amin, kay nanay, sa gobyerno, ah, kay BBM. Sana po wag po kayo magsawang tumulong sa mga ganitong kondisyon po ng pasyente. Ito po yung bunga at panibagong pag-asa na yung mga ganyang klaseng pasyente, hindi na po mababahala kung saan sila kukuha ng ganito, may pamasahe o may pang ano ka ba, baka may bill o kaya ano kaya yung gamot, may stock pa kaya yun, gano'n, eh. Gano'n yung lagi naming iniisip.